Hello viewers, welcome everyone to my channel Eye Care Advisor. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of this clip-on sunglasses. So this is the bag in which the clip-on sunglass is there. So I will open it and show it to you. So first of all, this is the sunglass what is there, and you can use it without the prescription or with the prescription. This is the glass. I will open the glass and show it to you. So this is the glass which comes with the anti-reflection coating, and this is a nice frame also. So you can see this is the frame. And one more advantage of this frame what I buy, this lenses comes with the blue light protection also. So I will show you, this is the blue light. As you can see, when I put the blue light, you see this is the large amount of blue light is there, and when I passing through these lenses, it allows only the essential blue light. See the amount of blue light transferring here and here. It allows only the essential blue light to pass through these lenses. So if you are working in the computer or laptop, you can use this glass as the blue light protection glasses. And with this, 5 clip-ons are there. So I will just show you one after another. This is the first clip-on. This, as you can see, is the polarized lenses. So if you are using this, it will cut out the glare, and there is a magnetic clip is attached. So you can see this is how the polarized sunglasses looks like. So this is one of the options what is there. Now I will check for the other options which is available there. This is, you can see the yellow tint is there. If you are night driving, it will help you. These are all magnetic clip-ons. You will fit it and it fits very well. From outside no one can understand. Once you wear the glasses, see from the top also, it's very nice. This is the second one with the yellow light tint. This is the only brown color lens protection is also there. Now this comes the mirror coating is there in these glasses. You can see the mirror coating is there in these lenses, and this is the silver mirror coating options is available here. And this one is my favorite. This is the blue mirror coating. You can see this is very nice. The blue mirror coating is there, and once you put it in the lens, it looks very nice in this one. So this is the 5 clip-ons which is available. If you like, you can buy this. And the summertime is also coming. This will help you. Basically these two for the very nice for the silver mirror coating and this blue mirror coating for the cosmetic effort looks. And if you are going for the polarized lenses, if you are driving the car in the afternoon in the sunlight, it's very helpful to cut out the glare. And if you are driving in the night time, then this yellow tint will be helpful for you. And for the normal protection, you can use the brown one also. So overall, this is a very nice pair of sunglasses, and I made this with my prescription also. I will make now, so I can use it for regular purpose also. And even if you don't have prescriptions, you should not worry about that, because in this one the blue light protection also there, so you can use it. The plano blue light protection also is available in this one. So this is a nice package. If you like, you can also buy this type of glasses and use. This is a multi-purpose glasses. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it with the others, and I always update videos, so you will get that videos also. So for today, as of now,